Living in Gainesville means enjoying beautiful surroundings and a vibrant community, but it also comes with the reality of seasonal storms and the threat of hurricanes. Protecting your home from high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain is essential for both safety and peace of mind. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is by installing hurricane-resistant windows. Beyond storm protection, these advanced windows offer year-round benefits that make them a smart investment for Gainesville homeowners. Protection against high winds and flying debris. Hurricane-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand the extreme pressures and impacts caused by hurricanes and tropical storms. Unlike standard glass, these windows use laminated glass with multiple layers, which prevents shattering when struck by debris. For Gainesville residents, this protection is critical. Broken windows during a storm not only allow water and wind into your home but can also create dangerous pressure imbalances that damage the structure. Hurricane windows provide a strong barrier, reducing the risk of catastrophic damage. Enhanced home security. The strength of hurricane-resistant windows isn't just useful during storms, it also provides year-round security. Their reinforced glass and heavy-duty frames make them significantly more difficult for intruders to break. For homeowners in Gainesville, this added layer of protection helps ensure your family and belongings are safe, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Improved energy efficiency. While hurricane-resistant windows are built for safety, they also offer excellent energy efficiency. The laminated glass and insulated frames help maintain consistent indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. In Gainesville's hot, humid climate, this means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without overworking your HVAC system. Lower energy bills and improved comfort are benefits you'll enjoy every day, not just during storm season. Noise reduction. Another benefit many homeowners appreciate is the noise reduction that comes with hurricane windows. The same laminated glass that resists debris also dampens outside noise. Whether it's traffic, neighborhood activity, or Florida's frequent thunderstorms, these windows create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. UV protection for your home. The Florida sun is beautiful, but its ultraviolet rays can cause damage over time, fading furniture, flooring, and decor. Hurricane-resistant windows often come with UV blocking technology that protects your interiors while still letting in natural light. This small feature helps preserve your home's beauty and value for the long term. Boosting property value and insurance savings. Upgrading to hurricane-resistant windows is also a wise financial decision. Homes with these windows often see a boost in property value, making them more attractive to buyers who want built-in storm protection. In addition, many insurance companies offer reduced premiums for homeowners who install hurricane windows because they lower the risk of storm damage. Final thoughts for Gainesville residents: preparing for hurricane season is a yearly necessity. Investing in hurricane-resistant windows offers unparalleled protection, security, and peace of mind. But the benefits don't stop there. These windows improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, block UV rays, and increase property value. By upgrading your home with hurricane-resistant windows, you're not just preparing for the next storm. You're making your home stronger, safer, and more comfortable every day. It's a smart choice that pays off in safety, savings, and long-term value.